Hello students and welcome to Only Competition Assam. From today's session, we have already started 2 to 3 classes on SSC GD, especially for the students of Northeast, especially for Arunachal Pradesh students, Manipur, Mizoram, and all of the students who are unable to understand questions in Assamese. Okay, so today's session will be on mixed question sessions, okay, which usually come in SSC GD. Since we are preparing for SSC GD 2026, whose notification will come in the month of September to October this year, we should be prepared from now onwards, okay, from now onwards. So without much delay, let's start the class. So before jumping to the questions itself, let's get a few revision, okay. Since revision is very important, let me discuss what have we all learned in the previous classes. So in the previous classes, we have studied about the foundation of reasoning, that is alphabetical series and the position value and its position value. Alphabetical series and its position value, okay. Position value is very important, very important. Next, second most important thing is the opposite letters. Opposite letters are more important because we have seen that opposite letters sequence come in letter coding and number coding, isn't it? Now, third one is the square values and cube values from 1 to 20, and for square it is 1 to 35 square. We also need to know the tables from 1 to 20, okay, fine. Now, square and cube, why is it important? Because those topics are mostly used in series type of questions, missing numbers in the figures, and then in coding decoding too. Part of analogy comes also under this particular pattern, okay. So now we need to understand that this 3 to 4 points is your foundation for reasoning. I hope so. I don't have to repeat all those topics because we have already studied these topics in my previous classes. Fine? Okay. Now, before jumping to the questions, let me discuss about the opportunity which we are providing. Like Only Competition Assam is providing one batch for every exam. That is one-stop solution for each and every exam, be it ADRE, Assam Police, SSC, RRB or DHS. It doesn't matter, you will get everything in this particular batch. In this particular batch, we will be having 3 USB. That is, you will be getting handwritten notes with personal mentorship from the selected candidates of ADRE 2.2. Okay. Now, in this particular batch that is going to start from 28 May, one more important thing we would like to share is that we have decreased the price from 399 to 2901. 2901 only if you use the code PK018. Only if you use the code PK018, then only you will be able to avail this particular course at this price, okay. Now, let me tell you one more important thing, that is, this price will remain open for only few days. For example, this will be open for only 5 to 6 days. So, since the interval time is very few or small, you should decide your career wisely, okay. Now, moving on to the next important thing, this is the app, we will discuss about it afterwards. Now, the first question of the session. This is a word analogy. This is a word analogy. What will come in the fourth term? Fourth term, what it will come? Thermometer is used to measure temperature. Okay, thermometer is used to measure temperature. Similarly, glucometer is used to measure what? Option A, body sugar. Option B, body resistance. Option C, blood. And option D, blood sugar. What will be the answer? Question number 7. Question number 7. Glucometer is used to measure, yes, blood sugar. Blood sugar. Okay. Nowadays, diabetes is very common among us. Okay. So, we need to know what is the blood sugar interval or measurement. Okay. And that can cause a lot many other diseases too. Okay. Now, question number 8. Question number 8. What will be the answer in the fourth term? Fourth term. Dismay is related to joy. Therefore, tend is related to what? Dismay and joy. Do you know what does dismay means? Joy means happy. Okay, joy means happy. And dismay is the opposite of joy. Dismay is the opposite of joy. Therefore, what will be the pattern here? Dismay is the opposite word of joy. Therefore, the opposite word of tend will be what? Option A, regret. No. Ignore. Our answer will be ignore. Option number B. Tend means to listen to someone. Ignore means to avoid someone. Okay? It will not be D, it will be B. Ignore. Okay? Okay, so welcome to the class. Life is a journey. Roshan, Gitashri Kalita. Okay, welcome to the class. Now, what will be the answer for this question? Here we are having letter analogy. Here we are having letter analogy. What will be the pattern between the first term and the second term? Similarly, the third and the fourth term will be related in the same way. Yes, very good. Life is a journey is very fast in giving the answers. What is your answer, by the way? Your answer will be option number A. Option number A. It should be option number A. Question number 9. It is A. Okay. Here, what is the pattern? First, let me check. D's opposite is W. C's opposite is X. B opposite is Y. And A opposite is Z. Therefore, if we find the opposite of these 4 letters, we will get A, B, X, A, B, C and D. For this, we will tick the question number 8, option A. Option A is our correct answer. Okay. Now, you must have a look. Here we are using the opposite letters. And this is what I have said in the very beginning. Opposite letters are very important in analogy and any type of questions. Okay. This is very important, and that is why all these topics are what? Foundation of reasoning. Okay, you need to understand that all maximum of the questions revolve around all this kind of topics only. Fine? Okay, now let's move to the question. Question number 10 to 14, we need to find the odd one out. We need to find the odd one out. There are 4 options, okay, 4 options, A, B, C, D. You need to find the correct odd one out option. And this particular question will be very easy if you focus on the observation. If you focus on the observation. What will be the answer for question number 10? What will be the answer for question number 10? And what will be the reason behind the odd one out? What will be the reason behind odd one out? Tell me that. A, B, C, D. Okay, there are 4 numbers, 4-digit numbers. Are you able to find? I doubt. I doubt. Look, here, 4249, this is a odd number. 7586, this is a even number. 4623, this is also an odd number. And last one, 9781, this is a odd number. Now are you able to find the odd one out? Now are you able to find the odd one out? Tell me. What will be the answer for option number 10? Option number 10. Yes, it will be option B. Option B, because only option B is the even number. Other than that, the 3 options are odd numbers. Usually what happens, since we are practicing such difficult questions, okay, we don't usually focus on the easy kind of trick or easy observation. We neglect that, and that is something we need to focus on. Okay, if even and odd gives you the answer, then why not this pattern? Okay, okay. Now question number 11. In this particular question, you have to use the position values. Write down the position values below and you will find the odd one out. Find the odd one out. What will be the answer of question number 11? Okay, let me write the position value first. After that, you will be able to identify what is the odd one out. K's position value is 11, 13, 15 and 17. There is a gap of +2, +2 and +2. B's position value is 2, 4, 6 and 8. Here also every number is given as +2. Fine. 16, 18, 20, 21. 5, 7, 9 and 11. In all the options we are given as +2 the difference, but not in option number B, because in this particular option B there is 1 + 1 difference, okay, and that is why option B does not follow the pattern over here. Option A, C and D follows one similar pattern, but option B does not follow that particular pattern. Is it okay? Okay. Now let's move to the next question. This is also a very easy odd one out question. You can answer this particular question by observation only. By observation only. What will be the answer? Because B, yes, Luna, you are correct. Yes, Luna, you are correct. What will be the answer for question number 12? It is very easy. Very easy. You don't even have to take the pen and paper. Just observation. Any idea? On the basis of, now if I tell you the pattern, you will laugh at your own self, because The basis of this particular question is very easy, and that is vowel and consonant. Vowel and consonant. Vowels are what? A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U, and the others are consonant. Are you able to solve this particular question now after differentiating between vowels and? Here the answer will be option D, because X, P, D and I, among those A, B, C options are consonant. A, B, C options are consonant. Only option D is the vowel one. Only option D is the vowel one. Have a look at this particular question and the pattern. After that, answer me. Tell me if you have understood or not. Tell me if you have understood or not. Maybe you have been finding very tough patterns, very deep kind of patterns, but you don't have to dig in so deep. You don't have to do that. Okay, the answer or the pattern is very simple, and therefore we don't have to dig in so badly. Okay, just differentiate among vowels and consonant. Just differentiate among vowel and consonant. That's it. Fine? Okay, Roshan, very good. Next, what will be the odd one out in option A, B, C and D? What will be the odd one out in A, B, C and D? Tell me. First observe the pattern. First observe the pattern and then go to the question. Then answer me. First observe the pattern. Pen, letterhead, paper and envelope. Look, here letterhead, paper and envelope, all those are pieces of sheet on which we can write, be it paperhead, letterhead, paper or envelope. These are three options where we can write using pen, and therefore our odd one out is what? Pen. That is your odd one out. Pen is the odd one out because only pen is used to write. Otherwise, option B, C and D are the paper or sheet where we can write using the pen. The relation is that. Yes, 13A. Okay, fine. Now let's come to the next question. This is also a very observation kind of question. Okay, observation kind of example. What is reed? It is a grass, hollow grass, bamboo type of grass. Okay, reed is a type of tall grass with a hollow stem growing near water. It's a kind of bamboo type of grass, okay, which grows near the water. Okay, what is pit? Pit is a means dug hole. Okay, dug hole where all the garbage or something like that is put. What is tap? What is tab? What do you mean by hold? Meaning of meaning of all the words in this particular four options are very different. Nothing is similar in the meaning. So therefore, don't focus on the meaning. Now don't focus on the meaning. Just go according to the word. Just go according to the word. Don't go according to the meaning here because all the meaning of these four options are different from one another. Is different from one another. So don't go according to the meaning. One hint I have given, the other hint you have to identify, and the correct answer is option number A. Now you will ask me, ma'am, why is the correct option is option A? Why is option A the odd one out? Because you can observe here the number of vowels. Number of vowels. How many vowels are here? Only one vowel. Here, one vowel. Here, one vowel. But here, you will get two vowels. That is why our odd one out is option number A. Not because of the meanings. The meanings of these four words are all different. But because of the spelling. Because of the spelling. Okay? Sometimes we need to analyze the odd one out in this particular perspective also. Okay? Now can we move to the next question, that is question number 15 to 23. In this particular question, what we have to do? We have to find the A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth term in this particular series. Okay, in this particular series, we have to find the fourth term. C, D, F, D, E, G, then E, F, H and dash. You need to find the fourth term. Write down the pattern over here. Write the position value and then the pattern. In question number 15. Question number 15. Okay. Question number 15. Many have answered. Okay, many have answered. Let me check. Yes, it is option D. FGI. Are you able to answer? Very good, Roshan. You understood? Okay. Now, write down the position values of this particular letters. 3, 4, 6, 4, 5, 7, 5, 6, 8. Now, if we find the pattern, what we will get? 3 to 4 plus 1, 4 to 5 plus 1 and 5 to 6 we have to write because we are following this particular pattern. Now, from 4 to 5 we have plus 1, from 5 to 6 here also plus 1. So, in the next term also we have to do plus 1 only and our position value will be what? 7. Now, 6 is the position value of F, 7 is the position value of G. G's position value is what? 7. Now, the last one if we check, 6 to 7, 7 to 8, 8 to 9. 9 is the position value of I. And therefore, our answer will be option D, FGI according to this pattern. Is it okay to everyone? Very good. Life is a journey and Roshan and Luna. All of you have answered me correctly. That's a good thing. Now, let's move to question number 16. You need to find the missing figure in this particular question. What will be the answer? Sorry. Question number 16. If you keep on solving this particular question, I am definitely sure you will be able to answer all the questions in your exam. Okay, all the questions in your exam. Okay, let me check. ZAVCRENG, then question, fill in the blanks, and lastly F and K. If we find the position values, what we will get? 26, 22, 18, 19 and here sorry 6. Okay, here 6. Okay. Position values of the second term is 1, 3, 5, 7 and 11. 26 to 22 is how much? Minus 4. From 22 to 18 it is minus 4. Here also minus 4. So definitely the first term will be what? Minus 4, that is 10. 10 means J. Which option starts from J? It is option D. We don't have to find the second term. We don't have to find the second term because finding the second term means wasting more time. Finding the second term means wasting more time. But even though if you want to know the pattern, I can show you here. It's minus, plus 2. Here it is plus 2, here it is plus 2. Again, if we do, it is plus 2 and it is 9. This is I. This is I. Is it okay? And this particular pattern can be continued and yes, it satisfies F and K both. F and K both. Here the answer will be option D. Now we can move to the next question, isn't it? Okay, question number 17. Find the pattern of question number 17. Question number 17. It's very easy. And again, the foundation will help you. Foundation will only help you. What will be the answer of question number 17? Tell me. Yes, the question over here is very easy because what is 4? 4 is the square of 2. 4 is 2 square. 16 is 4 square. 36 is 6 square and 100 is 10 square. Therefore, the missing term will be what? 8 square and 8 square is option B 64. Option B 64. Okay, got it? Now, next question. Find the difference. Find the difference in this particular series and you will be able to answer the question. It is very easy. You just need to find the difference. Find the difference. Two, 3, 10. What will be the difference between this particular two terms? 1, this two terms it is 7, this two terms it is 5, again this two term it is 11. Then what will be here? Here you are unable to find the pattern because in this particular question you need to do double difference. Double difference, and for double difference we need to check the pattern again, means we need to find the pattern again by subtracting the second series. This means here we need to find the double difference. Plus, not plus, this will be minus 2. Here it is plus 6. Plus 6. Here also it is plus 6. Plus 6. Okay. Again then, that means, are you able to find the pattern now? After the double difference one, you can find the pattern now. Plus 6 minus 2 plus 6, again minus 2. If we subtract 2 from 11, what we will get? We will get 9. We will get 9. Now we need to add 26 plus 9 and that is 35. And for that we have the option number C. Option number C. In the first difference we are unable to find any pattern. But we need to go for double difference. Okay, double difference can only give you the exact pattern. By subtracting or by calculating the double difference, you will be able to find it is plus 6 minus 2 plus 6 minus 2 and the pattern continues. If this pattern is there, then this is known as what? Double difference. Okay, if you like this session, please do like and subscribe to the channel. Okay, using this kind of techniques only, we will be able to solve more and more questions. Okay, fine. Now, can we go to the next question? Question number 19. Question number 19. Are we able to answer question number 19? Okay. Luna is the first one to answer me. Luna is the first one to answer me and then yes, your answer is correct. Life is a journey. It is option number C. Here we just need to find the difference. Here the difference is 11. 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 Similarly 11. So we need to find here difference as 11 and for that we know that our answer will be what? 56. 56. Here you don't have to find a double difference. Okay, you don't have to find a double difference. Safe and easy. Safe and easy question. Okay, next. This is a question based on letter series. Letter series. Thank you. Life is a journey. I hope you will be able to crack your exam very soon. Okay, in this particular series, you need to first try to find out the pattern. Life is a journey. Where are you from? Can I ask you from which place you belong to? From which place you belong to? Here, position values of different letters are 5, 1, 3. 7, 3 and 4, 13, 9 and 10. Now, if we find the pattern in this particular series, we need to compare here EAB, EAB, that means 5, 1 and 2. Okay, it is 5, 1 and 2. Okay, 5, 1 and 2. Question number, this one. Here, okay. From 5 to 7 it is plus 2. From 7 to 13 it is plus 6. Again from 1 to 3 it is plus 2. From 3 to 9 it is plus 6. Again from B to D it is plus 2 and from D to J it is plus 6. That means we need to understand that the next term after M, after M, I, J will be plus 2, that is M N O. O. It will start from O, that is option number C. Option number C. Here also in the next term what we will do, it will be plus 2 and here also it will be plus 2. I plus 2 is how much? I plus 2 is 9, 10, 11. 11 is the position value of which letter? King's 11 Punjab, that is K, that is K. J plus 2 is how much? J is 10 plus 2 is 12. That means L is equals to 12. So this is our answer. OKL, OKL. Here we know that the pattern starts with plus 2, then plus 6, and then again plus 2, again plus 6, and in this manner our pattern will go on, isn't it? Yes. Okay. So today's last question is question number 21, and this will be our last question. Okay, this will be our last question. Find out the pattern here, and the rest of the questions we will practice in the next session. But first, find the pattern in this particular question. Find the pattern in this particular question. Write down the position values. Write down the position values. The position value of A is 1, 3, 5, 2, 4, 6, 7, 9, 11. Okay. In the first term it is plus 1. In the second term it is plus 6. Okay. Next term it is plus 1. Next term it is plus 5. Here also it will be plus 5 only. Here also it will be plus 5 only. Okay. Done. From E to F, what we will do? It is plus 1. From F to K, what it is? It is plus 5. That means the next term will be what? Plus 1. That is 8, 10 and 12. 8, 10 and 12. What is the position value of 8? Means which letter have their position value as 8? It is H, J and L. Our answer will be option number C. Option number C. The pattern is just similar to the previous question, and the pattern is plus 1, again plus 5, plus 1 and then plus 5. And the series continues. Okay? Fine. So, today's session is here till here only. In the next class, we will also learn about the image related questions. Okay. So, hope so we will again meet in the next session. Okay. Next week, next session and new questions. So, with this, I would like to end the session. Hope you have all liked the session. So, do like and subscribe to the channel without forgetting. Okay. Till then, keep practicing. Thank you.